Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Boohoo haul. This is my second time actually filming this. So this is going to be the first outfit. I didn't really buy these as pair, so if they don't look like they go together, that's probably why. It will be my first time shopping at Boohoo, and I just gave birth, so if I don't look snatched, that is why. Plus I'm not in a hurry to get snatched either. It takes 9 months to almost 10 months to have a baby. I'm gonna need the same amount of time to get my body back. I'm not in any hurry. And I don't know what my exact measurements are, seeing that I just gave birth, but I will be going to the doctor's next week, and once I do so, I will update the information in the description box. Most of the items in here I got in a 6 or 8, and I'm gonna make sure I put it across the screen exactly what size I got in everything, and I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts and opinions on each piece. So let's get into it. Let's get into this first look. So the top is a long sleeve top. I actually didn't order this top. I ordered some sweat shorts that I thought was gonna come in this color and another color, but it was the shirts that I ordered. But the quality is okay. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. Perfect to wear if you're traveling. Also perfect to wear in the spring, fall time. And I live in Florida, hot Florida, so I won't be wearing this for a while. Then okay, this is better. So this is the top. It's not too thick, not too thin. You can't see my bra through it, so that's a good thing. And these are the shorts. I actually really love shorts like these. Can dress them up and dress them down. I'm actually going to do a styling video once I'm done, and you guys will see exactly how I style these. This is how the side looks. This quality is okay. I don't have any complaints with this particular outfit, and the brown one that comes with this, I'm going to show you guys. Also got the brown one, and it looks the same way that this looks. As you can see, this is actually a bit thin. The quality is thin. When it's on the website, it don't look this thin, and it also, they said it's a pink. This is not a pink color. This is actually like a salmon color. So this is how it looks. It's okay for what I paid for it, but I was expecting better. I would give this 6 out of 10. This would be a 6 out of 10 for me, because on the website they made it look a way more thicker than it is. If they had showed it for what it was, I would have probably given it a 7, but this is definitely a 6. So this is the first dress, and this is a corset dress in black. I actually got this in a medium. The quality is a 7 out of 10 for me. It's see-through, and if I was to wear this out, I would have to wear it at night. I would definitely have to wear this at night. However, I'm okay with it since I live in Florida, so it'll be perfect, so I'm not too hot. This is definitely sexy, perfect for date night with hubby, going out to eat. That's when corona goes away. It kind of clinched the waist in, so it's cute and it's doing my body right. And I also like the cut. So the cut of it, so when you toot down, like when you stoop down, your butt won't be out. The cut in the back is perfection. If I'm gonna get something that's mini, I like it to have this type of cut, so my booty crack won't be out. Okay, so yeah. And I'm 5'6", in case anybody's wondering what my height is. So this is a dress that I always see the fashion girls here on YouTube wear. It's made of a knit material, but it's definitely see-through. I would definitely have to wear the cardigan that comes with it because it's a bit see-through. As far as quality is concerned, this would definitely have to be a 7.5 for me. And the reason why the 7.5 is because it's made of the knit material. It kind of sucks you in a bit. And also the cardigan is long, it's almost to your knee, and I can wear that cardigan with other items, so that's why it's a 7.5 for me. But the quality is not that great. I'm gonna show you guys. Also, I like the V, not the V, I like this type of cut top. The square neck is very flattering, especially on people with bigger bust. If you have bigger bust and you want something that's flattering, the square neck tops is going to be perfect for you, especially now that my boobs are filled with milk. Square neck tops allow me to breastfeed a little bit better. So yeah, this is how it looks. Let me get the cardigan, and this is in US size 8. The cardigan hits about above your ankle, which is perfect. Too thin and not too thick. That's why I love it, because I can wear it with other things, and I live in hot Florida. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear my daughter cooing. She's on the bed chilling. So this is the last top. This is a corset top, and quite frankly, I'm gonna tell you, I'm not quite happy with this one. I love the cut, I love the style of it, but the quality of the material, you can tell. You can see my undergarments underneath it. I'm definitely gonna need to wear a bra with this, a strapless bra. You can't do the whole take down your bra strap and put it under. It won't work with this top. And it don't have any boning, so this part keeps riding up all the time. So this is how it looks. Honestly, this is a 6 out of 10 for me as far as quality. It's made of the cheapy polyester material, and that's why this part is not staying down properly. Let's have a back look. Yeah. I'll leave all the sizing down below of what size I got. So yeah, this is my final review of Boohoo. It's a fast fashion brand. You're going to have hit and misses. There are some things that I like, some things that I don't, and they always have sale, and you get what you pay for, because I literally spend $100 for all the items that I got, so I really can't complain. But don't think you're gonna be getting bomb quality or like a Zara quality from Boohoo. It's just not gonna happen, especially with fast fashion brands. That's just what it is. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you guys think about Boohoo. Are you planning to shop at Boohoo? Yeah, that's all I have to say for now. Deuces.